Hello students, in this video you will find position of hydrogen in the periodic table and similarities and differences between the properties of hydrogen and alkali metals, first group elements. Let us see first something about hydrogen. Symbol H and its nuclide H1, like that. Atomic number 1 and electronic configuration in the valence shell 1, number of electron 1, electronic configuration 1. In SPDF notation, electronic configuration 1s1. Valence, number of valence electron is 1, its valency is 1, changes into liquid state, liquefaction temperature under normal pressure minus 253 degrees centigrade and freezes at minus 259 degrees centigrade. Now, hydrogen is the first element in the periodic table. Its position in periodic table is controversial. It contains one electron in the outermost shell. Remember, its electronic configuration is very unique. It contains one electron in the outermost shell, which is K shell, which is first shell, which is the lowest energy level or the shell of lowest energy. Because of one electron in the outermost shell, hydrogen has equal tendency to lose electron or to gain electron to attain stable electronic configuration like nearest noble gas. Now, when it loses one electron to form hydrogen ion H+, then it resembles alkali metals, which is first group element. And when it gains electron to form hydride ion H-, then it resembles halogens, the elements of 17th group. These are some very important points. Next point is also very interesting. What is that? It also resembles the 14th group element, that is 4a, in having half-filled outermost shell, like that. Here, in this case, hydrogen, I told you, when loses one electron, form H+, like alkali metals. Sodium loses one electron to form Na+, like that. Lithium loses one electron to form Li+. Then it resembles alkali metals, I told you. Another one, hydrogen gain one electron to form hydride ion, just like chlorine gain one electron to form chloride ion. Fluorine gain one electron to form fluoride ion. This is very interesting. Then it resembles alkali metals and also it resembles halogens or 17th group element, like that. Another thing I told you, with 14th group, hydrogen has one electron half-filled shell, 1. In the K shell, capacity of 2 electron, but here only 1 electron. In case of carbon, 2, 4. This outermost shell is having a capacity of 8 electron, but here is 4 electron. Here outermost shell is having a capacity of 2 electron, but here is only 1 electron. Hence outermost shell in hydrogen and in 14th group, both cases, is half-filled. Now, let us see similarities in properties between hydrogen and alkali metals. Now, first is their similarities of hydrogen and alkali metals. First, electronic configuration. Then some important properties I am going to tell. Now, first is electronic configuration. Electronic configuration. And second property I will tell you, valency. third property I am going to tell valence electron. And next one, ionization or ion formation. Next, liberation at cathode. And next, reducing power. Or reducing agent. Next, reaction with non-metals. Reaction with non-metals like sulfur, oxygen, halogens. And next, again I will tell, let me complete this. Then first is electronic configuration. Both hydrogen and alkali metals have same valence shell electronic configuration. Both have only one electron in the valence shell. For example, hydrogen has one electron in the valence shell. Alkali metals also, atomic number 3, only one electron in the valence shell. Sodium, atomic number 11, 2, 8, 1, one electron in the valence shell, like that. And potassium 19, 2, 8, 8, 1, like that. All alkali metals also have one electron in the valence shell. Hydrogen also is having one electron. Valency, both have valency 1. Hydrogen and all alkali metals have valency 1, like NaCl. Here sodium valency is 1, HCl, hydrogen valency is also 1. Next, valence electron, both hydrogen and alkali metals, both have only one electron in the valence shell. Next, ion formation. In this ion formation, hydrogen loses one electron to form positive ion. And alkali metals also lose electron to form unipositive ion. Lithium, sodium lose electron to form unipositive ion. Potassium lose one electron to form unipositive ion. Hence, these are hydrogen and alkali metals both. So, electropositive character, they lose one electron to form unipositive cation. Liberation at cathode. When direct electric current passes through acidified water, then hydrogen is produced at cathode. At cathode, hydrogen gain one electron to form hydrogen, like that. And this atomic form combined to form hydrogen gas. At cathode, alkali metal halide, when direct electric current passes through alkali metal halide solution, NaCl solution, KCl solution, then also it is same similarity is observed, like there alkali metals are also produced at cathode. When direct electric current passes through molten alkali metal halide, then alkali metals are produced at cathode, like this. Na plus electron, sodium is produced at cathode. Now, reducing agent, both are hydrogen and alkali metals, both are reducing agent. They reduce the metal oxide and other substances by providing electron. Now, you see one example. Here as a reducing agent, some examples I am going to write here for reducing agent. Here hydrogen, copper oxide, when heated in presence of hydrogen, heated, it will form reddish brown copper metal and H2O. And next example, when B2O3 react with potassium, there is formation of B. Boron plus K2O. Fe3O4 react with hydrogen on heating to form iron and H2O. Like that. And it means both are reducing agent. Both acts as reducing agent. One more example, CuO plus Na, sodium, form reddish brown metal copper and Na2O. Like that. Now let us see reaction with non-metals. In reaction with non-metals, hydrogen and alkali metals both react with non-metals. For example, reaction with sulfur. Hydrogen react with sulfur, sulfur plus hydrogen form hydrogen sulfide. And another reaction, sodium plus sulfur form sodium sulfide. See, hence both react with sulfur to form their sulfide. And oxygen react with hydrogen. Oxygen react with hydrogen to form 2H2 plus O2 form 2H2O. Hydrogen monoxide, hydrogen peroxide. Alkali metals also react with oxygen to form their respective oxide and peroxide, and also form peroxide Na2O2, like that. Halogens like chlorine react with hydrogen to form hydrogen chloride, and metal also Na plus Cl2 form sodium chloride, like that. Then reaction with non-metals, hydrogen react with sulfur to form hydrogen sulfide. Alkali metals also react with sulfur to form their respective sulfide, Li2S, Na2S, K2S, potassium K2S, like that. Oxygen, hydrogen react with oxygen to form hydrogen monoxide H2O and hydrogen peroxide H2O2. Alkali metals also react with oxygen to form different oxide Na2O, Na2O2, potassium, rubidium and cesium form superoxides. Reaction with halogen, chlorine, bromine, iodine. Hydrogen react with chlorine explosively in direct sunlight, but reaction is smooth when diffuse sunlight is there to form hydrogen chloride. Sodium form sodium chloride, potassium form potassium chloride. These reactions are also important. Number 8, burning. Hydrogen burns in air to form hydrogen monoxide H2O, H2O2. In presence of oxygen, it burns with blue flame. H2 plus O2 form H2O. It also form hydrogen peroxide. And alkali metals on strong heating in air burn vigorously to form their respective different type of oxide. Lithium form only one oxide, Li2O. Sodium form two oxide, Na2O, Na2O2. Na2O sodium oxide, Na2O2 sodium peroxide. Potassium, rubidium, cesium form superoxide also. See the reaction. Li plus O2, only one oxide, Li2O, and sodium form two oxide, Na plus O2 form Na2O, and there is also formation of Na plus O2, Na2O2, and super only two oxide, Na2O2, and potassium, rubidium, CgM form superoxide also, KO2, RbO2, CSO2, superoxides. Then this is the similarity between hydrogen and alkali metals. Now next point is differences. Hydrogen has only one cell, but alkali metals have two or more cells in their atoms. Second difference, oxide of hydrogen is neutral, pH is 7, H2O, but oxides of alkali metals are basic in nature, Na2O, K2O, basic in nature. And next, this hydrogen is found in gaseous state, but alkali metals are, there is no, any alkali metal is not in gaseous state. They are in solid state. Only CgM and francium at about 29-30 degree, they exist in liquid state. That is all about this hydrogen position, similarities and differences in this video. That's all. Thank you.